How to remove another account in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove another account in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, I totally get what you're talking about. Let's say over the time you happen to log into many accounts, so when you open up Facebook app and then you are on the login page, you will see many accounts that you have added here. So let's say you want to remove either one of these accounts and keep only one account, which is your main account. It's very simple. When you're on the login page, do not log into your account. Instead, look at the top right hand side. You'll find a little gear icon, which is also the settings icon. So tap on the little settings button over here. Then over there you'll find this little option here known as remove profile. So tap the remove profile button, then just tap on remove. So you have to select your profile, then tap on remove profile, and that particular account that is added in your login list will get successfully removed. That's all it takes to remove another account in Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.